Okay, we're getting ready to clean this bathroom. This is the before video. And at QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. We're giving you live video before and after video. And let's walk out. Okay, this is the after clean, as you can see. This is the after video. Give you a good look around. Let me take this towel off but as you can see, everything is clean. And let me give you a good look at the tub. Okay, QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. We make sure every customer is satisfied with the service. And let me flush this, make sure this is clean. And there you have it, folks. I'm backing out now to give you an idea.
I got a washer, and it's a pretty big washer. I just got to get some.
Okay, we are doing a home organization, and this is what we've got. As you can see, we've got this area cleared. Okay. And this is where the oven and all that other stuff was. We had that cleared. Okay, this will be the next room that we're working on. And we've got our work cut out for us. At QualiCare Maids, this is what we do. We do big organization work such as this. And we do video and we do photos of our work to show you that we do real work. That's why 9 times out of 10, we are booked up every single day of the week, because we do a lot of heavy duty work. We will give you the after video after we complete this room, but this is the before video, and this is the room we're getting ready to do now. Stay tuned to QualiCare Maids. Okay, this is another QualiCare Maids home cleaning and organization. This is the room that we will be cleaning today, and as you can see, it doesn't get any worse than this. Let's give you a full view of the room. And this is the room we are getting ready to do. And we've got our work cut out for us today at QualiCare Maids. The people you call when you need a real home cleaning organization. As you can see, we are finishing up on this room. And if you didn't see it before, the blanket she is keeping, and she just wants those left there. So we're giving you a look at this room. And if you remember this room from the previous video, this is what we've got. Thank you and stay tuned. This is the second room that we have cleaned, and